told you, you better stay prayed up. You never thought the universe be looking for revenge.
None of them came close. Me, I haven't changed much. You know how I play it.
If you ask me, I'm ready.
Tez keeps telling me he just turned 30, having dreams of being single forever. He's getting worried and I'm scared too, cause I'm in the same boat. Good women are rare too. None of them came close. Me, I haven't changed much. You know how I play it. Better safe than sorry. Instead of searching for substance at every single party. Baby, being part of this life, I feel like I'm bound to end up with somebody that's been with.
Hey guys, I literally just about finished cleaning up the room. You can see we changed the bedding. We're doing a very green, sage green, earthy tones type of vibe this week. So we've got a lot of greens. We've got loads of different variation of greens. And I've completely tidied up my room. I also redone my makeup table. I haven't been here for like 2 weeks because I've been living at my own house. Just to like sense it out before I put it back on the shortlisting site. And today I'm moving back to my house, so I just came to literally just redo my room, repack my suitcase. I also wanted some company, so I came to grab Milan. You guys know he's my dog. He's right there. He's always watching me. So now that I've got Milan bits ready, the room is tidy, I've got my suitcase packed, it's time to go to my residence and actually start unpacking all of the furniture that we've been buying over the last couple of weeks and actually put it together just to get the foundational pieces finished, and then we can start with the decoration and the accent pieces. But I've got majority of the stuff at the house. It's just a case of I've just been so exhausted with the constant back and forth. I'm gonna know what happened, because the first time when I furnished my house by myself, it literally took me 10 working days, like not even 10 days full stop, like 10 days working days and weekends to get everything coordinated. But this time around, I initially wanted to start with that same Vim, but then something over in my mind was just like, girl, what are you rushing for? Like, you paid for this. Like, I've paid for this house and I've never actually spent more than a week in it. So I just really wanted to actually enjoy my investment and all the sacrifices that I've made. And yeah, that's what's happening. So these are my suitcases. I'm gonna grab Milan now, and then I'll catch you guys once I'm on my way to my house. Leaving mommy's house now. See you guys in a minute. Bye. Hey guys, so I am in my own house now. I'm gonna take out these AirPods because I'm connected to my phone. Maybe I'll try to edit some TikTok because I haven't been as consistent as I wanted. So sometimes I feel like I can't hear better with the AirPods because I lock out the outside noise and I can't hear every single background. I can't hear everything. If I pin drop, nobody say nothing. If my breathe too loud, everything. So when I'm always having my AirPods with me and edit. That's my preferred way of editing. I'm here with Milan, my baba. You wanna say that to the vlog? Hi vlog. And we need to decorate and unbox the stuff. My mom is coming to give me a hand. She's currently on her way. But I actually feel like chill. And I feel like tomorrow's a new day. We're gonna follow to do right now at 4 o'clock. My unbox everything today, and I like me can open the Airbnb, and I like me can start my business tomorrow because we still have no Wi-Fi at the premises. I'm waiting on Wi-Fi to come back. Let me give Melon some water and then we can catch up. But before I come, I just want to clean my room before I come because it was in a state. Okay, I needed that to vlog. Yeah, I'm ready now. I'm just trying to sort out Milan for a minute. Not a laptop. I brought his ball and his food and his toys. Yeah, and his toys.
Has he been there before?
No, today's his first time.
Really?
Yeah. Water feel.
Need you to rescue me from my destiny. I'm trying to live right and give you whatever's left of me. Yeah. Cause you know life is what we make it, and a chance is like a picture. It'd be nice if you just take it, or let me take it for you. I'm just down to ride. We can roll around the city till you finally decide. I got more than a thing for you. Tattoo of the ink for you, right over my heart, girl. I do the unthinkable.
Honesty, someone's gotta take the lead tonight.
And she just still living. I did give her bleach, I give her all-purpose window cleaner, but she did tell me that she did need a degreaser and some more soap for the stove and for the fan or something.
To me, if you have something to say, you should say it right now. You should say it right now. You ready? You give me a feeling that I never felt before, and I deserve it. I think I deserve it. It's becoming something that's impossible to ignore.
I told you, you better stay prayed up. You never thought the universe be looking for revenge. You can keep just doing a good like that, thinking that nobody finna bite back. Losing your mind, baby. Can't be sure. Time's wasting.
Morning, guys. Welcome back to the weekly vlog. Welcome back to the weekly life as a landlord. Property is slowly coming together today. I have a carpenter here just to get rid of that mold that we have in the bottom of the kitchen, and to also do the covering for the drainage outside. So I'm gonna warm melon, make some tea, warm melon, let them in, get the property sorted, and then I'm gonna do another layer of deep cleaning before I put out the rugs and stuff like that.
I'm sorry, I'm just here to do my job.
Hey guys, I literally just finished with the second round of deep cleaning of the house, and I got a chance to like unbox quite a few bits, especially for the kitchen. So this said let me pop down to this Chinese place. It's called Fortune Chinese. I had it the other day and the spicy rice. I had it the other day and the spicy rice was so good I had to come back. So today I ordered the special fried rice and the sweet fried chicken. I know, pretty big.
Please don't fear me, I'm just coming. Let me dance for you. I'm sorry, do wanna love me so, then I'm gone. This feeling's just for you and your wrongs. I'm just here to do my job. Devil in disguise, dressed in all white. When you slow down, think I'm supposed to ride. You done told me I should be only one around. Talking about making my way, made it my way. Think I gotta run, boy. You don't wanna be telling me. Take me to your mama's house. I'm sorry if you never doubted me, but you should've doubted me.
get some bigger ones. Some people are going to see things most people prefer right off the mirror. So I'm actually in real estate class at the moment.
Cause don't you know you can't do them girls like that? Thinking that nobody finna buy back. Losing your mind, baby. Can't be sure. Time's wasting. Nice to meet you. I'm sorry, I'm just here to do my job. Nice to meet you. Then sudden you. I'm just coming. Let me dance for you. I'm sorry. Do you wanna love me so? Then I'm gone. Just here to work me out. Then this done. I'm just here to do my job. Do my job.
And I can't take it. I was wondering, maybe could I make you my baby? If we do the unthinkable, would it make us look crazy? If you ask me, I'm ready. If you ask me, I'm ready. I know you said to me, this is exactly how it should be when it's meant to be. Time is only wasting, so why wait for eventually? If we gon' do something about it, we should do it right now. Hey, you give me a feeling that I never felt before, and I deserve it, I deserve
From the girls, you know, we love girls so cocky with a nasty motion. She doing that, me across the door.
Wow, body a firm up though, girl. Yeah, again weight. Yeah, we again look nice. Hey guys.
She day in a she mood, you know, that's rich. A big fat and bougie and drunk guy. Bad bitch up on the telephone. Face bleach out on the telephone. Girl say she want yam cream on a steady cold. Of a big body bitch, natural or silicone.
Guys, we're having a spontaneous speech today. My mom literally told me her and her friends are coming. I'm like, I'm coming as well, make some space. And here we are on the beach an hour later. Ocho, one of my favorite places in Jamaica. Ocho. And I'm actually in school right now for class. I'm gonna start to play. Guys, we're just looking at the beach now. wanted them to try the chili song for the first time. Then Richie done cook some curry. Shrimps with some white rice. I'm tired. So later.